Hi Zulily fans, it's Amy here. I'm the Arts and Crafts buyer here at Zulily, and today I am sharing some of my favorite hacks for Christmas. Today I'm going to show you how to make DIY yarn pom-pom bows for your Christmas presents. If you want to jazz up your presents a little bit with something different or unexpected, not just your average ribbon, and certainly not one of those sticky bows, make DIY yarn pom-poms this year for your presents. This is so simple and easy. You don't need anything other than some yarn, a pair of scissors, and your fingers. Let's jump in. So I've got some red and white yarn here to make my festive pom-pom bows. I like to use my hand to make pom-pom bows. There are some other hacks out there on the internet that you've probably seen, but this one's the easiest because you always have your hands on you. So I like to stick the yarn in between my ring finger and my middle finger. So I just let a little bit of it stick through my fingers, and then I just wrap around. Be careful not to get this too tight. You don't want to cut off any blood flow to the ends of your fingers while you're making these pom-pom bows. So just nice and taut, but not too tight. And then you just keep wrapping. You just keep going and going. The more yarn you use, the bigger and fluffier your pom-pom bows will be. If you want to go a little bit lighter, they're going to be a little bit fringier. So you just keep going, wrap, 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 until you get to a good stopping point. We'll stop there. You can see how much yarn I have kind of mounded up on my fingers. And then I'm going to cut the end. I'm going to cut a tail to wrap around. This is the magic part that creates the pom-pom. I'm going to gently pull this off of my fingers, keeping that wrap intact. I'm going to lay a piece of yarn, that tail that I cut, I'm going to lay that down. I'm going to put my mound of yarn on top of it, right down the center, and then I'm going to tie this as tight as I can all the way around the center of this mound of yarn that I just created. So I'm going to tie a nice double knot right in the center, and then all I have to do from here is stick a pair of scissors right in the center of each of those loops and cut all of these loops so that we have that nice fringy pom-pom that is so fun and festive, so easy to do, really jazzes up your presents, makes them interesting and unique under the tree next to all those regular bows. Got a couple more loops here. And then we want to trim off the extra bits of the tail from where we tied around the center. And then we've got, looks like we've got one extra loose, and then I like to give it a little bit of a roll to get its nice round shape going. And there we go. We've got ourselves a pom-pom. In what was that, 30 seconds, we were able to create this DIY pom-pom to jazz up our Christmas presents in a festive and fun way, make things unique and interesting under the tree. Thank you so much for watching me today. I hope you guys try this Christmas hack for DIY pom-pom bows.